In this video, we're taking a look at the TRB-03 car built by HKS, as well as taking a ride on board its Tsukuba Circuit record-breaking lap. Be sure you watch to the end to find out how you can enter for free to win a HKS 10mm ratchet spanner keyring. Getting into it then, as I mentioned in the video I did about the TRB-04 car, TRB stands for Tsukuba Record Breaker, since that is what these cars are built to do. This third car of the series really lives up to its name, being that it still stands as the current record holder, albeit with the use of some controversial slick tyres rather than the usual semi-slicks which time attack cars normally run on. The aero on this car may look extreme, but it's designed by a company called AMB Aero, who have offices in Japan, the US, UK and Australia, and the design of this radical aerodynamics is called the Infinity Wing. Using this type of aero when compared to conventional aero means an increase of 20% more cornering downforce and minimal losses of downforce during cornering. The design gets its name the Infinity Wing since it allows an increase in downforce while at the same time reduces drag, so the downforce to drag ratio is infinite. It features a clutchless shift, sequential gearbox, and GT3 5R turbo, which provides enough boost to the stroked FA20 engine to allow 760 horsepower to go to the rear wheels. The combination of extreme weight reduction, power and aero, as well as the slick tyres, give it the recipe to perform on track and live up to its name. But enough talking about the car, let's get to why you clicked on this video and ride on board with Nobuteru Taniguchi and see just how fast this awesome machine is. And there we have it, a 49.445, yet another fantastic achievement by tuning company HKS. To get involved in this video's HKS 10mm ratchet spanner keyring free giveaway, simply like this video and comment below with your favourite racetrack. Then when the video hits 1000 likes, I'll go on a Facebook live stream to select a comment at random to win the prize. I feel like a button which gets neglected a lot here on the YouTube platform is the one below which says share.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely.
So if you click it and share this video to your Facebook, then maybe the share button won't feel so lonely. Until next time my friends, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.